One of Dashiell's favorite tricks right now is to have hiccups. And sometimes he makes fun faces when he has hiccups, but not all the time. Say hello to your grandparents, Dashiell. You know they're going to be watching this later today. Ooh, oh, yeah, stretchy, stretchy. That was a mean face, kiddo. Yeah, this is the beginning of preacher arm activity. It's definitely one of his favorite things, this interpretive dance. Although he usually does the most of it when he's sleeping. Oh, I'm sorry you have hiccups, sweetie. Makes it awfully hard to eat. Yeah. Okay, Dash. Say bye to everybody. We'll be back later. Okay, 3, 2, 1.